In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Squarespace mobile view, ensuring your site looks just as polished on mobile devices as it does on desktops. As we know, optimizing for mobile is crucial, given the increasing number of users accessing sites through their phones. Let's dive in and make your Squarespace website mobile-friendly in just a few minutes. To begin, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. If you haven't already, navigate to the Squarespace website using your preferred browser. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to click the Get Started button. This will direct you to your Squarespace dashboard, where all your website tools are located. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Edit Site option. It's usually prominent and should be an easy find. Clicking on it will open up the editing interface for your site. Now, this is where all the real magic happens. You'll see your website as it appears on a desktop screen. To switch to the mobile view, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see an icon resembling a mobile phone right next to the desktop icon. Click the mobile icon to switch your view. Now that you're in mobile view, it's time to make your edits. Start by utilizing the drag and drop feature. Click and hold on to the content blocks you'd like to reorder. This feature allows you to rearrange them as desired, ensuring that everything fits comfortably on the smaller screen. Pay attention to how the blocks interact with each other, as they might appear differently on mobile compared to desktop. Next, adjust the size of your blocks if necessary. Mobile screens require a more compact layout, so make sure everything is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Don't forget to check for legibility, as text that looks well-sized on a desktop might be too small on a mobile device. For a more refined look, explore the Edit section settings. Here, you can modify grid rows and gaps, which is particularly useful for removing any unnecessary spacing. By tightening up these gaps, your site will not only look more cohesive, but also load faster and provide a smoother user experience. Once you've made all your adjustments, it's essential to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually found in the upper right corner. Clicking it will publish your changes, applying them to your site's mobile view. This step is crucial, as it ensures all your efforts reflect online for your audience to enjoy. That's it. With these straightforward steps, you've optimized your Squarespace site for mobile users, enhancing both its functionality and aesthetic appeal. Thanks for watching, and happy editing on Squarespace.